Hello engineers. How are you all? Welcome to my channel Royal Civil Engineer. Full form of WBM is water-bound macadam. This is an important part of subgrade of any road. Whether it is a flexible pavement or a rigid pavement, it has a WBM at its base. 1. Hard trap stones of size from 65 mm to 75 mm are spread out on the well-compacted boulder soling. 2. The stones are bound together by soft muram. 3. Water is sprinkled on top. 4. This layer is compacted with a static roller or a road roller. 5. A thin layer of muram is again sprinkled on top to make it even surface. 6. This layer is subjected to at least one rainy season before the upper layer is laid. WBM thickness could vary between 75 mm up to 150 mm depending on the class of loading for the road. The cross-section of a flexible pavement is usually like this. From bottom to top. 1. Compacted muram on the base. 2. Boulder soling. 3. WBM. 4. Semi-grouting. 5. Premix coat. 6. Carpet. 7. Seal coat, wearing layer. Against WBM, there could also be the BBM. Bitumen-bound macadam. It is believed that the WBM was invented by a British engineer whose name was Mr. Macadam.